Shalom everyone, and welcome to Learn Hebrew Now. Today, we're learning Hebrew pronouns, the little words that tell us who we're talking about. By the end of this video, you'll be able to say things like, I'm learning Hebrew, you live in Israel, and they work at the bank, all in Hebrew. So, without further ado, בואו נתחיל. Let's begin. In English, pronouns are words like I, you, he, she, we, and they. In Hebrew, we have the same idea, but some of them change depending on gender and number. Let's go over them one by one, and I'll give you easy examples for each. The first pronoun is ani, which means I. Ani. Ani. And it's used for both men and women. Let's see examples. To say, I am learning Hebrew. As a male, say, אני לומד עברית. I, לומד, learning, singular male, עברית, Hebrew. אני לומד עברית. To ask, where can I sit? As a female, say, איפה אני יכולה לשבת? איפה, where, אני, I, יכולה, can, singular female, לשבת, to sit. איפה אני יכולה לשבת? Next we have you. In Hebrew, you depends on whether you're speaking to a man or a woman, or to one person or more. To say you, when referring to a singular male, say אתה. 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 For example, to ask, do you understand English? When speaking to a male, ask, אתה מבין אנגלית? אתה, you, singular male, מבין, understand, singular male, אנגלית, English, אתה מבין אנגלית? To say, you are my best friend. When speaking to a male, say, אתה החבר הכי טוב שלי. אתה, you, singular male, החבר, the male friend, הכי טוב, the best, שלי, of mine. אתה החבר הכי טוב שלי. To say you, when referring to a singular female, say את. 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 For example, to say, you must visit there. When speaking to a female, say, את חייבת לבקר שם. את, you, singular female, חייבת, must, singular female, לבקר, to visit, שם, there. את חייבת לבקר שם. To ask, do you want tea or coffee? When speaking to a female, ask, את רוצה תה או קפה? את, you, singular female, רוצה, want, singular female, תה, tea, or, קפה, coffee. את רוצה תה או קפה? Next up, who means he, and he means she. Easy, right? But be careful. He, meaning she, sounds like the English he. Let's go over it again. Who means he. Who. Who. For example, to say, he is drinking coffee. Say, הוא שותה קפה. הוא, he, שותה, drinks, singular male, קפה, coffee. הוא שותה קפה. To ask, when will he get here? Ask, מתי הוא יגיע לפה? מתי, when, הוא, he, יגיע, will arrive, singular male, לפה, to here. מתי הוא יגיע לפה? He means she. He. To ask, what book is she reading? Say, איזה ספר היא קוראת? איזה, what, ספר, book, he, she, קוראת, reading, singular female. איזה ספר היא קוראת? To say, she studies at the university. Say, היא לומדת באוניברסיטה. He, she, לומדת, studies, singular female, באוניברסיטה. At the university. היא לומדת באוניברסיטה. The word for we is אנחנו. 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 And it's relevant for both men and women. To say, we're going to the beach. Say, אנחנו הולכים לחוף הים. אנחנו, we, הולכים, going, plural, לחוף, to the beach of, הים, the sea. אנחנו הולכים לחוף הים. To ask, when will our turn come? Say, מתי יגיע תורנו? מתי, when, יגיע, will arrive, תורנו, our turn. מתי יגיע תורנו? Now, Hebrew even has two ways to say you all. אתם for a group of men or a mixed group, and אתן for only women. So when you are talking to a group of men or to a mixed group, say אתם. 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 For example, to say you study Hebrew at school. When speaking to a group of men or to a mixed group, say אתם לומדים עברית בבית הספר. אתם, you, plural males, לומדים, study, plural males, עברית, Hebrew, בבית הספר, at school. אתם לומדים עברית בבית הספר. To ask, are you watching the movie? When speaking to a group of males or to a mixed group, say, אתם צופים בסרט? אתם, you, plural males, צופים, watching, plural males, בסרט, at the movie. אתם צופים בסרט. The word for you, when speaking to a group of females, is אתן. 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 For example, to say, you sing beautifully. When speaking to a group of females, say, אתן שרות יפה. אתן, you, plural females, שרות, singing, plural females, יפה, beautifully. אתן שרות יפה. To ask, are you going out for a walk? When speaking to a group of females, ask, אתן יוצאות להליכה? אתן, יהיו, plural females, יוצאות, going out, plural females, להליכה, for a walk, אתן יוצאות להליכה. Finally, we have הם and hen. They both mean they. Hem for men or a mixed group, and hen for women. Let's go over them one by one. The word for they, when referring to a group of males or to a mixed group, say hem. 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 For example, to say they live in Tel Aviv. Say הם גרים בתל אביב. הם, they, plural males or mixed group. גרים, live, plural males or mixed group. בתל אביב, in תל אביב. הם גרים בתל אביב. To ask, where do they play soccer? When referring to males, say איפה הם משחקים כדורגל? איפה, where, הם, they, plural males or a mixed group, משחקים, play, plural males, כדורגל, soccer. איפה הם משחקים כדורגל? To say them, when referring to a group of females, say hen. 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 To say they work at the bank, when referring to a group of females, say הן עובדות בבנק. הן, they, females, עובדות, work, plural females, בבנק, at the bank. הן עובדות בבנק. To ask, at what time do they want to come here? When speaking about females, ask באיזו שעה הן רוצות לבוא לכאן. באיזו, at what, שעה, hour, הן, they, females, רוצות, want, plural females, לבוא, to come, לכאן, to here. באיזו שעה הן רוצות לבוא לכאן? Let's review all the pronouns together. Repeat after me. אני, אני. אתה, אתה. את, את. הוא, הוא. he, he. אנחנו, אנחנו. אתם, אתם. אתן, אתן. הם, הם. hen, hen. Great job, everyone! You've just mastered Hebrew pronouns. Now you can start building full sentences in Hebrew. If you found this lesson helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more Hebrew lessons. And if you want to download the worksheet and to support the channel, join my Patreon page. You can find the link in the description below. תודה רבה. Thank you very much. And I'll see you in the next video.